So here I'm going to present my Henry Moore artist analysis and visual notes on here. So I'm starting by putting the pictures of my artist's work on there. I'm putting the title as well, Henry Moore, with date of birth and death on here. So once I've done that, I'm going to write 3 or 4 words that describe the drawings on there. So I'm hatching, cross-hatching, 3D volume, and this other one here looks more lines and patterns. And kind of, I noticed how it follows the form of the skull, so I've written that down on here. This one shows a full range of tone. It's abstract, close-up, and it makes me think of a landscape. Here I want to write some facts about Henry Moore, so I'm going to write 4 facts about Henry Moore. He's a British sculptor. He loves to show nature, likes to mix reality and imagination, turns colours into landscape. And the meaning on here and the symbolism behind the drawings. So we've got the life cycle and life and death and the beauty of nature as well. So here on the side, I'm just going to go back and look at all my different models and copy some of the marks on there that I can see on there, or the areas that I find really interesting. So I'm looking how he's using hatching and cross-hatching to do gradients, and how the line kind of follows on there. So what I'm going to do here is study on a circle how I can make it 3D, really kind of using that volume on there. So same here, I keep referring to my Henry Moore pictures on there, and I'm writing that we need to change pencil pressure to show the tone. So even so you're working here with a writing pen, if you press lightly, you've got a lighter mark that you have if you press darker. So it's really important to still vary that pencil pressure to show the dark and light and make this 3D. So here in the background, I'm copying some of the patterns I can see in Henry Moore's sculptures. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it, making sure it's not too close to the edge, so you still got a little gap on here. So on here, I'm just adding some notes that I thought were missing. And I'm just going to add a little bit of a dimple in here, and then kind of realized it looked a little bit like an apple, but I just wanted to show how I could do 3D in different ways. So I turned this sphere into an apple on here. You don't have to do that, it's just up to you, and showing 3D forms.